Hello friends, this is Deepanjali. Welcome to Swad Bengal. Our today's recipe is a very special recipe, Mutton Korma. It is one of my favorite recipe, very rich and spicy. So let's see what are the ingredients. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and please press the bell icon so that you receive my every notification at the earliest. Let's begin the recipe. Here we have taken 1 kg of mutton. Now we will marinate it with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger chopped, 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped, 4 tablespoons of yogurt or curd, and mustard oil around 2 to 3 tablespoons. I will add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. This is homemade garam masala. You will find the recipe link in the above icon. Now we will mix all the ingredients properly. Give a good mix. I will add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients properly and allow the mutton to marinate for at least 1 hour. It will be better if it is marinated for overnight. After 1 hour, the mutton is well marinated. Now in a kadhai, we will heat 4 to 5 tablespoons of refined oil. Now once the oil is enough hot, we will add the sliced onion and fry it until it turns light golden in color. As we are preparing mutton korma, this is one of the key ingredients. It brings a very good flavor. The onion is properly fried now. You can see it has turned light golden brown in color. Now I'll take out the onion in a separate plate. I have added a tissue paper to remove the excess oil. Now in the same kadhai, we will add a little bit more oil. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add 2 dried red chilli, some bay leaf and some whole spices. I have mentioned the exact quantity of the whole spices in the description. This spices brings a very good aroma. Now we will add some chopped ginger and garlic. Once the ginger garlic is fried, we will add our marinated mutton. Here I will add some whole black pepper and some sliced green chilies. Mix all ingredients properly with mutton with the help of a spatula and keep tossing the mutton so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Cook the mutton for 15 minutes in medium flame. Now we will add tomato puree. I have taken a small tomato. Many people don't prefer tomato in mutton korma, but this brings a very good flavor. I will add a little bit salt. You can add it as per your taste. Mix it properly and cook it for another 10 minutes. I will add little bit sugar. This enhances the color of the mutton. And now I will add our fried onions. We need to continuously stir the spatula until the mutton cooks completely and the moisture dries up completely. Now we will cover the mutton with a lid and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, the mutton has cooked almost 70% and you can see the mutton has already released some oil. Once the mutton has released oil, it means the masala has cooked properly. So now this is the stage when we should add hot water. Here I will show you two techniques. Traditionally mutton korma is cooked in kadhai. So we will add hot water and allow it to boil. and cook the mutton in kadhai by continuously stirring the spatula. The second way and easier way is to use the pressure cooker. Here we will add the mutton in pressure cooker with some hot water and cook it in medium flame and wait for 2 to 3 whistles. After 3 whistles we will check the mutton. If it is not properly tendered, we will wait for few more whistles and our mutton korma is ready to serve. Serve the delicious mutton korma with hot steamed rice and let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you like the recipe, like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive my every notification at the earliest. Have a good day. Take care.